we're done with breakfast now. So we're going to the Roaring Fork Motor Trail. And we're gonna see if we see any wildlife, and I'll show you while we're there. This is the Motor Nature Trail, Roaring Fork Motor Nature Trail. We are really high up. You could see the top of the ridge if you look closely. I think we're at the very top now. The mountains are so beautiful up here. This is a pull-off park, a pull-off at the top. So you could see some of the mountains. Here is a cabin along the road. Now we're hunting down crafters. We're gonna go in here for a treat.
Let me see here.
We found this road in Gatlinburg that all they have is crafts. Interesting sign, you know you're in the Smokies. We stopped at the Mellow Mushroom for pizza. They have a very elaborate menu. Cool looking restaurant. Okay, my pizza has arrived. Looks and smells delish. These are unique tables right outside the restaurant. I came over to look at Dollywood's hotel, Dream More. This is such a gorgeous hotel. From the outside, that is. Well, I'm sure it is just as nice inside. It is just elaborate. And of course, on this side of the hotel, they have butterflies. Now, is that Dolly's bus? I wonder. And this is going to be the new hotel for Dolly.
Okay.
Heart Song Lodge and Resort. Stay tuned for my video on Dollywood when I visit the amusement park.